Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl London and I am back with another video. And in today's video, I am going to show you guys my first attempt at applying a wig. So let's get started. So first thing first, I have this Shine and Jam. Y'all already know if you get braids, this is the best thing to use to hold your hair down. So I have 4 braids. I was gonna do 5, but then I got lazy. So I was like, 4 will work. And I'm just gonna wrap it in a rubber band like this. And I'm gonna tuck it and wrap it. So it should look something like this. Y'all already know you need a stocking cap. And that's what I have. Have this stocking cap. So this is the Gots to be glued. I'm just spraying it on my hair. And this is just gonna make my cap stick down without having to glue it. And I'm not wearing this wig for long, y'all, just for like a day or 2. Okay, so I'm going in with a bronzer. And obviously my cap is super light. So I'm just gonna bronze it a little now that it's dry. All right, I think it's safe to say I could cut this right now. So like I said, I'm not worried about this being like so, glued down or tight to my head because it's only gonna be on for a few days. So the rest of this, y'all, I'm just going to cut it off. I don't need it. I will be tucking it, but I don't want all this extra stuff. Okay, so how we wrapped our ponytail, I'm about to wrap this right with it. Okay, so this wig was so cheap, y'all. It was $40. It's long. It has to be like a 24-inch. And I love the color. And for me to just like throw it on and go, I can even not glue it on and put on a hat. I'm good. So I did wash it. And this is how the wig looks. It's cute. It's like a 1B with the number 30. Now it does have a lace right here. So that's what I was saying. This lace is nothing, obviously, I don't think it matches my skin complexion at all. But it's very, very light. And we're gonna get rid of that. So it did come with 3 clamps. So that's gonna be nice for me to like clamp my braids into. So let's do this, y'all. I'm feeling all amped up. Don't laugh at me either. So I'm gonna work this in sections, y'all. And I have this little clip I'm gonna put. Okay, let's just go ahead. Let's go ahead and put some more Got to Be Glued right here. I'm gonna spray some and let it get a little tacky before I glue this little piece down. Put a little heat on there. Okay, I'm gonna spray it again some more, y'all. Okay, y'all, so I don't have it all the way completely on, but that's okay. I'm gonna go back in and do everything. I'm just trying to get, this line is throwing me off so much. I'm gonna take my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn, and I am going to deepen that part. Okay, so I have my concealer on. I'm gonna use my True Complexion Contouring Palette, and I'm gonna take a regular brush that I never really use, and I'm gonna go in with that sculpting color, and I'm gonna put that right at the top, just like blending it in, so it could look a little more natural than what it was looking. Okay, going in with some water. I'm just gonna wet this hair. I'm gonna go in with this mousse, and this is gonna keep my curls tight. I actually use that mousse for my natural hair when I have a desired style that I'm going for, and it will not move. So I am gonna go in with some of my bronzer again and put some just on the lace because it is a little bright around my forehead, just a little bit. And I'm just using Got to Be Glued to hold down the edges that I'm doing, little baby hairs. And I'm not doing too much of that. And I'm gonna just still put a little more of that Got to Be Glued right here on the side so that I could lay my other side really good. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. It actually turned out really well. I didn't put a lot of baby hairs because I didn't want it to look too extra. And I'm definitely gonna give this look a second try, a second attempt. I will be doing the makeup the next time. I won't just put it on with a little bit of the bronzer. I will actually put some foundation on. But your girl finessed it and it came out cute, okay? That's all that matters. But like always, don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. And as always, remember to treasure your family, treasure your time, and most importantly, treasure yourself. Peace.